Okay guys, I just finished my face, so now I'm going to pick out my outfits. So let's go ahead and pick our outfits. So also this yellow shirt I like it, so we're gonna take a picture in it. This green shirt, I've never worn it. Never worn it anywhere. I got it to go on this show, and I don't know, I didn't like the way it looked on camera, so I decided not to wear it, but hopefully I like it. One of my favorite classic go-tos is this one, but it's kind of like, okay, this ties, and then it's all like, I look like mad mauve in it. I look marvelous. Might pull this black jacket for something. This is just a vibe. Can't get enough. My go-to to wear in general is like crew necks and shit. Like, that's my vibe. Crews, things like that. So we're gonna grab some kind of chunky pieces. We got a lot of shit to do. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Look at that. I'm gonna do a throwback Thursday in my Nike suit.
Yeah. Is there a button that you can...
Yeah, try to press that button up top.
This one?
Yeah. Alright guys, now I am done with my makeup and I've got all my outfits selected. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to look up some poses and stuff so I'm not doing the same stale ass poses. I'll look up some things, create a little mood situation, think about like the kind of vibe, which if you look at my Instagram, my vibe is all like self-love, self-acceptance, and just like going with the flow, embracing nature, connecting with self. And so that's kind of my energy. And so that's kind of the photos that I want to take. We're going to be using my favorite two backdrops and my only two backdrops, Mocha and Sunshine. Okay, now we're gonna go to Pinterest. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now that I'm here, guys, is I'm going to, let's make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see less of me, more of the actual web links. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to look at some of the poses that they have. Notice that I really kind of liked the monochromatic backgrounds. The backgrounds, I don't have a lot going on but in them. That's just kind of my vibe. So we're going to take all of our lighting out there and hopefully we can get some good shots. All right. We're going to pick hair. Okay, we're going to pick hair. I don't necessarily love this wig. I just love the tips of it. And for a photo shoot, it's gonna look really good. Yeah.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, here with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be in love, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change over time. We got older, babe, yeah, but I wanna stay with you and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way.
Alright guys, I don't even know what look I'm on at this point. I'm so exhausted from taking fucking pictures. But we are getting it done, girl. I want to show you guys my yellow backdrop. Shut up, stupid. You're stupid. Well, you heard it here first, folks.
You heard it here first. Mother effers.
Ow. So I think for this look, I'm just going to do some wild hair stuff after this. All the rest of the looks are just me doing really crazy shit with my hair. So I think it's going to look good.
Life is what you make it. I should been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking.
I love this look. One of my favorite looks. This actually belonged to my mom. It makes me really happy. Anytime I put it on, I'm like, I feel like I'm her, and it's just kind of funny because I just know she was out there being too live in this fit. Like, you couldn't tell her ass shit in this. And so it's just kind of cool to serve body. Yeah, Taylor's gotta give a little on this one because I'm serving body.
Hello. Oh. What you guys doing in there? Uh-huh. It's your problem, not mine.
Okay, y'all. We are done. It's a wrap on the shoot today. I'm like, fuck it. No. I am pretty tired, so hopefully we got some good shots. I'm gonna put my phone on the charger because it's probably exhausted, and well guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a couple of things that I don't think people talk about usually when they make these kind of videos. So first thing is my lighting. So here is one of the light fixtures that I have. It is a Sunpack light ring that I got. Now listen, I had originally got another Sunpack light ring, like ring light. I don't know why I'm calling it a light ring. Anyways, the ring light that I had was trash before. I don't know, I had to get multiple replacements. Here's a little trick though. Keep your receipt. Did I get a warranty on it or something? How did I do it? I got the replacement warranty, so every time it broke, I got a new one. So just do that. It's like $4, and like here's my thing is like I'm not buying another one 50 times. So just get the replacement warranty if you get it at Best Buy or something. I personally, I recommend just getting the one that I have and not getting yourself in a situation getting those jank ones. It's not worth it. They do not work. They don't last, and then you're sitting there without light. That ain't never good for nobody. So yeah. Anywho's, this light here was like $100. I'll get the actual link and I'll link it down below for you guys so you know exactly which one I got. But yeah, this one's here is amazing. It came with a little shooting thing. I lost it. I don't know where it is. In fact, I lost it like 2 days ago actually. I had been using it and then I lost it. It was amazing and then I lost it. And like 4, maybe 2 cell phone holders, 2 camera things. What else? So that came with a lot of stuff. That was pretty nice. The other lights that I have, I got on GP. Honestly, when I first started my YouTube channel, I was like, oh my god, I need lighting because I'm in a basement. And Taylor was like, okay, well, start looking around. Maybe you should get some. And I was like, okay, maybe I should get some lights. And I got on Facebook and I just looked lighting, and somebody was selling some lights in the marketplace in my area. It was like an old photographer who's not doing photography anymore. Anywho's, worked out for me. These are the umbrella lights that I use. People say that I use them backwards. Like apparently maybe you're supposed to like use them this way, but I don't. I use them like this. I like that light. Hit my face, bitch. And this is what it would look like if I didn't have any of these lights. So you wouldn't be able to see me, bitch. I mean, I'm black, but no, but for real, it's pretty dark. So as you can see, the light does make a huge difference. In fact, I could not even make videos if I didn't have this lighting. I could use my overhead light. Let me show you what that one looks like. However, just so you guys know, no, it's not. If you saw it on camera, you would be like, oh, trust me, when you do, you will. You're talking a lot of shit right now over there. Just let me make my video.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. Dude, did you say I got 6 minutes? Mm-hmm. You're trying to use them up. That means I got 6 minutes to get out what I gotta say. Okay, so anyways, this is the overhead light. Girl, this light is not good light for anything, especially if I was trying to like show you a review of something. It's just really poor lighting. Honestly, there's no way around it. In fact, after I kind of got into lighting a little bit, we even changed the lights in our basement to a more daylight light because like we don't have any. We have no natural light downstairs. There's zero. We're pretty much like zombies down here. So, have you ever seen Zombieland? It's like that. You ever see Walking Dead, bitch? It's that. I Am Legend, that movie. You know when they're all like huddled up in that like dark ass place. Then we go, you know that shadowy place that Simba's talking about? Exactly. So that's what it looks like down here. So that's why the light is crucial. And if you're going to take pictures, it is extremely important that you have really good lighting so that you can get good details. You don't miss the good gems in your photo. You don't miss the quality of the photo. So that's my lighting. This is my backdrop. This backdrop was $35. This background was $35, and you can get it on Amazon. I will post a link of my backdrops in case you want to know which ones I used during this video. This is my backdrop stand. This stand came with a white blanket, or like a white sheet, a black sheet, and a green screen. So I really mainly use it for my backdrops, and here's how it looks. It's just like a big clothes rack, pretty much. Which, truth be told, you could, for real, if you get a pretty long clothes rack, you might be able to put that on there. I don't know. The clothing racks that we have are not that long that you could put one on it. Because here's, see, this is what holds my hair, is a clothing rack. So, yeah. Okay, so other things that I showed you in this video. Here is the white light, the white background, and then my green screen and my black sheet or somewhere. Here is the wardrobe that I got all of my clothes out of. I usually keep seasonal items in here, like if it's cold and it's hot outside or whatever, those kind of seasons. So like those different clothes. But yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna take my contacts off. Call it a day. Call it a day. Whew. But overall, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And question of the day. How do you take pictures by yourself? Have you tried taking pictures alone? What is your best method? Do you have some tips and tricks you'd like to share with me? I would love it. Drop a comment down below and let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and share it one time with a friend. I will see you guys in part 2. Bye.